Okay, so today's project is uneven warning on the Samsung washing machine. If we open it up, you can see that the drum floats about way too easy. So it's the shock absorbers, the hanging shock absorbers have failed. And then, so I went on good old Amazon and I ordered them yesterday. And they arrived today, and here they are. So let's get into changing them. I've pulled it out and we've got two screws on the back that hold the top on. I'm just going to undo these. And then we get this top and we just lift it up. But you can see it's not coming away at the front. And the reason for that is that there is some pop catches just here. So I'm going to pop those. Lift it up at the back and get a bit of leverage from here. It's off. Simple as that. I could have undone all the plumbing and everything, but I decided to leave everything because I know I can just pop these out without doing anything else. So literally two screws, pop the top off, and then we can get these off. So let's do that. I'm doing one at a time. I'm just going to lift it, take the weight, pop that out, and then down in the bottom there, that just drops out of a slot, and there we go, just like that, and you get your new one. So this drops into a slot on the drum. And then you have to lift it all up, take the weight and just put it back in there. So that is one changed. So all we do now, three. I'll do the last one. This one's awkward. Now this one's got some wires clipped to it, so you have to do that. these drawers in it, so you can put on the bottom of these machines are really good, but when you're short of space, they are a pain in the neck to get the machine on and off and work on it. And another thing is this grease, whatever it is that they use, does not come off with soap and water. It's just a nightmare. But if you spray it with WD-40, WD-40 just takes it straight off. Just like that. And then you have to go around and clean all the bits you've touched around the room. If you're like me, and in the drum here. It's a very sticky kind of grease. It's unusual. Okay, there it is. Put those down here. But as you see, that didn't take very long. I could have unplumbed all the pipes and I could have made it a lot easier for myself by taking the top right off. But I just wanted this done. It's a bank holiday weekend and I wanted to do something else. So there it is. That is a lot tighter than it was. Well, I'm pretty sure that's fixed that problem. Thank you very much. I hope this has helped you out on your project, and I'll see you soon. Cheers. Bye.